Good evening. Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to build a battery substitute board for vacuum tube voltmeters. I have a bunch of these, usually Eicos and some others, but I don't usually take them out in the field because you can get a pretty decent 9-volt Vt or digital voltmeter for cheap. But these are for the bench, and if you need a sweep meter, these are the thing to use. So this is just a handful of parts. I've got 6, counting the battery board. Let me zoom this out just a hair. So you see the circuit on there is half wave or full wave rectifier, but not a bridge. I had originally designed this with a bridge, but then when I went to install it, I realized that the filament voltage that I supply it with is grounded on one side and it blows the diodes out. So this is redesigned. The board's here. I get off eBay or AliExpress. You can get a whole bunch of them for like less than $1 a piece. Now these are designed for 78 or 79 series voltage regulators, so I have to modify these a little bit to work with the 3M or LM317. Anyway, I'll put this together and I'll be back. So for this demonstration I'm using an Eico 249. Most of these have pretty much the same tube circuit inside the bridge setup. Only difference I've seen is some of these use the unit probe and some have a separate AC and DC probe on them. Anyway, so in the back, got my little circuit board there with the LM317. The blue and yellow leads run over to the transformer for the filament voltage, 6.3 volts in. Red and black come out the 1.4 volts and hook to where the battery terminal is supposed to be. So let me get the voltmeter hooked up. I'll show you how this works. So forgot to mention, when you build this, because Eico uses 1/2 of the filament winding grounded to the chassis, make sure this is also grounded to the chassis and not a bridge rectifier. Ground must be ground. If you use a bridge, you will blow 2 of the diodes out, or maybe the whole thing. So anyway, make note of that. Thanks. Alrighty, so the power is on, and this red wire here should be our 1.5 volts. I actually have it set a little bit low. It's over there on the voltmeter. It's reading about 1.39. And that is pretty much a slightly used battery voltage. So there you go. You can build this thing for probably way less than $5 in parts. You could even breadboard it. It takes about 5 minutes. Works really well. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.